Here is a video on how to create a new month message design. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. Open your Pixellab app. After that, you bring in the background from your gallery. So you set the size, then you proceed to the main message. So I'm going to insert the text now. Align it. After aligning it, you proceed to font and select the font. I'm using Montserrat regular. So after selecting font, you can adjust your message the way you want. So I'm giving my own a background of white. Then I will adjust and set the line I want to use for it. You can put it in any way you want, but just make sure it is okay. Then I'll insert the main happy new month. PM. Edit new month. You can now add font to both of these texts. For the first one, I'm using Montserrat bold Italic, and for the new month, I'm using Montserrat black Italic as well. So you adjust everything, and you can now add emojis and other things. This is a smiley face image PNG. You can see it has no background. Then you can add other things like this. Now the font I'm going to use for this, if you create C, it brings Instagram logo, T for Twitter logo, F for Facebook logo, and Y for YouTube logo. So that's the font. You can check the description button for it. After all this, you adjust and then you add other things you want. Align and add necessaries to it. So, and that's just a quick way to make a happy new month message design for your brand or any other thing you want to do. So that one, I select another font. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.